Hi everyone, welcome back. In this episode, we're looking at the CompTIA A+ hardware acronyms, the foundation of IT hardware knowledge. I'll give you easy to understand definitions, and you'll be able to see at the bottom of each slide which exam you're most likely to find it. Let's get started. AC, or alternating current. It is a type of electricity used in your home or office. It reverses direction periodically and powers most devices. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated. Now AMD, it is the major American semiconductor company best known for making GPUs, CPUs, and other computer components. ARM, Advanced RISC Machine. It is a type of CPU architecture that follows the RISC model. RISC, Reduced Instruction Set Computing. ATA, or Advanced Technology Attachment. It is an older standard for connecting storage devices like hard drives, optical drives to your computer. ATX, or Advanced Technology Extended. ATX is a motherboard or case standard developed by Intel. It defines the size, the layout, power connections, and more. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, initializes your hardware during startup and hands off control to the operating system. It is a key firmware topic. CMOS, Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. It stores BIOS settings like the time and hardware configuration. CPU, or Central Processing Unit. It is your computer's brain. It processes instructions and performs calculations. DB9. It's a D-shell connector with 9 pins. The DB9 is a 9-pin serial connector, part of the larger D sub-miniature family. It was once a staple on PCs and industrial equipment. DC, or direct current. It is a type of electrical flow where the current moves consistently in one direction. ESD, electrostatic discharge. It happens when a charge jumps between two objects. It can damage sensitive components. FSB, or front side bus. It is the communication pathway between your computer's CPU and the memory controller hub. It is essentially the brain talking to the body. HAL, or your hardware abstraction layer. It acts as a translator between your system's software and the physical hardware. HAV, Hardware Assisted Virtualization. Now this feature is built into modern CPUs and allows your computer's hardware to better support virtual machines. Instead of relying entirely on software to simulate a virtual environment, HAV allows the processor to directly support and accelerate virtualization tasks. HCL, or Hardware Compatibility List. Now, HCL is a list of hardware devices that has been tested and certified to work with a specific operating system or software platform. It is super important when you're installing or upgrading systems. HDD, or hard disk drive, are traditional spinning disk storage devices. They're slower than SSDs, but still widely used because of their price and storage capability. I/O, or input-output. In computing, I/O refers to how a computer receives input from the user, like through a keyboard or a mouse, and how it delivers output to a screen or printer. IDE, Integrated drive electronics. This was one of the original standards for connecting hard drives and optical drives to a computer's motherboard. You might have heard it also called PATA or parallel ATA. IOPS. Input-output operations per second. It is a key performance measurement for storage devices. It tells you how many reads and writes operations a drive can handle in 1 second. ITX or Information Technology Extended. It is a motherboard form factor that's smaller than ATX. It's great for compact builds like home theaters, small office desktops, or mini gaming rigs. KVM or Keyboard Video Mouse. Now, a KVM switch allows you to control multiple computers using a single keyboard, monitor, and mouse. It is a huge space saver, especially in server rooms or testing environments. MBR or Master Boot Record. Now, the MBR is the first sector of a storage device like the hard drive. It holds crucial information about how the disk is partitioned, and it contains the code to start the operating system boot process. PC, personal computer. Now, a personal computer is a general purpose computer designed for use by one person at a time. This includes a desktop, laptop, and even some high-end tablets. PCI or Peripheral Component Interconnect. It stands for, it is a standard for connecting peripheral devices directly to a computer motherboard. It was widely used for expansion cards like sound cards, network cards, TV tuners. PCIe or Peripheral Component Interconnect Express. Now, PCIe is the modern high-speed interface standard used to connect internal components like graphics cards, SSDs, network adapters directly to the motherboard. PE, pre-installation environment. Think of PE as a lightweight, temporary operating system used to prepare a computer for installation, deployment, or recovery. Post, power on self-test. It is the system test that runs when your computer starts up, checking the RAM, CPU, and more. PSU or power supply unit. Now, the power supply converts AC power into usable power for your computer components. PXE, it's a pre-boot execute environment. It allows computers to boot from a network. This can be useful for large-scale deployments. RAID, redundant array of independent disks. Configuration combines multiple drives for speed or redundancy. SMART, self-monitoring, analysis, and reporting technology. Now, this tech is built into modern hard drives and SSDs. It continuously checks the health of the drive and looks for signs of failure. SSD or solid state drive. It is a storage, is fast, it has no moving parts. It's now more common than HDDs. UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. It is the modern BIOS replacement, faster, more secure, and supports larger drives. UPS or uninterruptible power supply provides a temporary power during an outage so your work doesn't get lost. USB, Universal Serial Bus, is the go-to interface for keyboards, storage, and other peripherals. Now that wraps up our hardware acronym walkthrough of the CompTIA A+ exam. These terms are foundational for IT support roles, so make sure you review them well. Remember to like, subscribe, stay tuned to our next video.